So this is Canon G2010 ink tank printer. So we are just unboxing it. So this is how it comes. This is a printer. It comes with 4 ink bottles, printer driver CDs, and there's 2 cartridges. One is the black cartridge, one is the color cartridge. I will show you how to install all this. Once again, very carefully you remove all these tapes. And this tape, and this tape, and this tape. And there is, pull this up like this, and you have to remove this tape. There's a tape over here. Okay. Very important process is to install the cartridges. Just showing you again. Pull this up and lift it. Okay, pull this and lift it. And one more important step is this cartridges. I am doing it with one hand so that there is no other person with me to help me. So I am shooting the video also. But this is how the cartridge comes. It is written over the pull. So you have to pull this sticker out and pull this sticker out. Again, so you can see this is a color cartridge. Again, it is written to pull both these things out, and pulling this out, and also bring this out. Again, pulling this out. Very important to press these things. 1, 2. Okay. Now let's fill the ink. So lift this. Lift this. Remove this cap. Pull this out. Fill the ink. And pull this, all this. 1, 2, 3. This is the ink bottle, Canon, and there are 3 colors. It is written over here. Yellow ink will go here, magenta will go here, and cyan will go here, and the black ink will go here. So open this. Very carefully, just press this, the entire bottle, and keep on squeezing it. बेश्टी दोयता जाल्यार वयर बी वचचें ना.
फक्त कमाई फेस हे करताना मातशी स्लो मीटिंग जाल्ला म्हाका.
कसली मिटींग? Once you empty the full bottle, just press this again. So this is written Y will go to the Y, M will go to M, C will go to C. So I am putting it. So while putting the ink, just keep on pressing this bottle slowly and until all the ink goes inside. When the ink is about to fill full, just press it slowly. Make sure all these caps are fitted very tight. You can double check them so that once the ink is fitted, just press this and then lift this. Just show you the mechanism how to lift. Lift this, put it this side and close this. As you can see, this power cable is given with the printer. You can connect it both sidewise and it will go here to the left side of the printer over here. You show to. It's a Phillips type connector. It's very important. Do not connect this USB connector right now. You have to connect it only when the printer tells you. Okay. Now we'll put the CD. Once this ink filling is done, you have to put the printer CD. You can see the CD. It's a Canon CD. Putting the CD in the drive. I'll just show you. Once you put the printer on, this ink icon should appear and there should be no error. It should be 0. Then on this booklet, if there are some errors, all the solutions are written over here. But if you put the ink properly and do all the things how I mentioned, you will not get any errors. Set up very quickly. Just double click on this. Click on yes. And it is a very pretty standard installation. You just have to click next. Over here, click on start setup. Select India, click next. Say yes. Now click on agree. Now say next. Now it is installing the driver. The setup is going on. You have to make sure that this ink icon disappears. For that, you have to press this button. Now it is processing the ink. Let me remind you, this is very important step. You have to, it's written in the booklet, you have to press this button. Now you can hear some sound. It is preparing the ink for printing. It is very clearly shown here. This is with this black ink drop, and after preparing the ink, that ink drop will disappear and it will just become plain 0. If you don't follow this step, the printer will not print. So you can see this light is blinking and it is preparing the printer for printing. Now it has installed all the software and it is asking for the printer connection. It is saying connect the printer with the USB cable. So I am connecting the printer. As you can see, this is the printer USB cable. One end I will connect it behind the PC, and second end will go over here. So now it is giving the message printer is detected, and now it will install all the further software. Let's wait for it. Also you can see the ink charging is in process. It will take some time. Now it has reached this print head alignment. So you have to put a blank page and say next. Here you can align these things to put the page. So you just pull this. You can also adjust it. So it is still charging the ink. Once the ink charging is complete, this green light will be steady. You have to wait until that, and here it will show 0. See now, after the ink charging is complete, this light is steady, it is showing 1. So I put the page now, and I am doing this print head alignment. Click next and start. So now it is printing the page. This is the first page. You can see it is printed. So the test page is now ready for printing. You can just put the page again. Another page. And click on next. Now it is showing setup complete, and click next. You can keep this as default printer. Click next. You can remove this, but this way if you don't want, it will take a lot of your time. So remove all this and click next and click exit. Now your printer is complete. Just to check, you can go over here, type printers, and you can see here it is Canon G20R series is installed. We have also checked the test page. Now I will show you how to use the scanner and the copier. So just to copy, just put something over here. If you want to the black copy, just select black. It will give you a black copy. You can see it is printing. This is black copy. If you want the color copy, just press this color button. It is printing the color. For color it takes little more time than the black. As you can see, this is the color print and this is the black print. So I have tried my best to demo the printer. Hope you like it. I will also place the buying link in the description. If you like the video, please do not forget to share and subscribe my video. Thank you.